Hello, today I want to talk to you about encouragement and decluttering. Sometimes we are so discouraged we don't want to do anything, but decluttering will cause you to be encouraged. It's a catch-22 and you have to start somewhere. So my suggestion is 4 times a week if you're an at-home homemaker, or on Saturday morning if you are a payroll homemaker, you declutter for 15 minutes for the 4 or 1 hour on Saturday for the at-home. When you declutter, you're just going to sit in one place and work on one thing, one little box, and you're going to take out things that you don't love anymore, things that are broken, things that you don't want to use anymore, and you're going to give them away, or you're going to throw them away, or you're going to find things that don't belong in that space and put them away. Once that little 15 minutes is up and you are done, you're going to be encouraged. Have a great day.